What's good, YouTube? It's your boy, Terrell the God, and I'm back with another video. Yes, sir. So look, I told y'all in my last video that I got another song with Esmil, but he's the feature he's not a feature, they did the song together. So we finna get into Screwface Gene and Esmil, Righteous and Ratchet. Yo, I didn't even know that these two did a song together. Screwface Gene, if y'all don't know who he is a fellow YouTuber like myself. He do reactions to music like myself. And he raps too, and he's also a motherfucking crazy ass rapper. And him to pair up with Esmil, you know it gotta be motherfucking fire. So make sure y'all hit that like button, y'all comment, y'all subscribe if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get every motherfucking video that me to DaGod upload. We over here spend nothing but love, peace, respect. Road to 500, baby. Yes, sir. So look, we finna check out Screwface Gene, X, Esmil, Righteous, and Ratchet. Ooh, let's go. I know this is gonna be a fucking banger.
Oh, time to get to it.
Okay.
Let's get right to the
Screwface Gene, Esmil.
Hello?
Banger.
Hey, what up, guy?
What's poppin'?
Man, you already know it's time to get righteous and ratchet.
Oh yeah, it's about that time. It's about that
Time to
time.
get Righteous and Ratchet.
Let's go.
I came from the sand of the holy land. Don't stand you die for open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you want.
Ooh, niggas turn this to Stone Cold and start throwing cans on Screwface. Ooh, is this a drill beat? Do I gotta get up and hit the dance? Hold on. Hold on.
I came from the sand of the holy land. Don't stand you die for open hand. Niggas turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' show you no heart if you owe it, man. I control my band like Axel, I rose a stand. And we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of cannon. Righteous in the broken land. All of that shit, none of that trash. We can be right to rest. Talk the bitch be capping. We can be right to rest.
Hey, hold on. Hold on, this Vegas. Hold on.
Turn stone cold, start throwing cans. They gon' like Axel, I rose a stand, and we think it's the Corleone fam. Like OnlyFans, you fucked off in the short of cannon. Righteous in the broken land. All of that shit, none of that trash. We can be right to rest.
Hey.
Talk the bitch be capping. We can be right to rest.
Hey. Hey.
We can be right to rest.
Hey.
I came from the bottom with people to start. We can be right to rest.
Okay.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. The fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. But you know I came from all scraps. I came from home again.
Fuck the game, taking it all back. You know I came from all scraps. Okay, hold on. This is banging. Hold on.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. The fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. But you know I came from all scraps. I came from home again. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The nigga landing full of sticks. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with it. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant.
Get in similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically imitating. I'm feeling your love.
We sound lyrical imitating. Oh my gosh. Esmil with the fast flow. He can do it all. Woo. It's a banger.
So what the fuck you call that? They all cap like a top hat. The fucking nigga want all that. You niggas all whack. Fuck the game, take it all back. Don't you know I came from all scraps? I came from home again. Until I'm fucking, I'm winning. The nigga landing full of sticks. I got a ton full of venom. There's an army in the village, better run around with it. Face the general, he's a fucking lieutenant.
Get in similar situation, I'm killing on your bitch, cause I'm lyrically imitating. I'm feeling your love. Blue face on my stack, homie. Give a fuck you from my ad, homie.
He said blue face for my stack, homie. Got them blue face Benjamins in his pocket. Talk your big boy shit. Esmil, come on.
Send the ad, we put them down.
your block, we running you down. Pow, pow. We ain't coming to your block, nigga. We hunting you down.
Just a dollar on the rigger, we gon' run the extra, driving in the sprinter with the SMS, signing with the living like a homie's rest in peace, teacher. I ain't playing, y'all get beat worse. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt. I'm stepping twice till my feet hurt.
We can be right to rest.
Hey!
Tell the bitch be captain. We can be right to rest. Hey,
Hey!
we can be right to rest. I come from the bottom when people are starved. We can be right to rest.
Stained up in a demon whip, got the cane cup, they're thinking, sipping with the A, but to land the evil, getting let the thing fuck, shit for the demon, tripping on down for a pool in the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all get booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up, she back for the pole. So ready to go.
Ooh, you think she booed up? You think she with you, nigga? But as soon as I call up, nigga, she coming straight to the pole. She coming straight to slurp this dick up. Okay. Ooh. This is fire.
We can be right to rest. I come from the bottom when people are starved. We can be right to rest.
Stained up in a demon whip, got the cane cup, they're thinking, sipping.
Stained up in a demon whip. Ooh. That Hellcat, that demon.
But to land the evil, getting let the thing fuck, shit for the demon, tripping on down for a pool in the soul. Y'all see an angel, but none of you know. Y'all get booed up with thinking she righteous, but she hit me up, she back for the pole.
So ready to go, I said it before. They take the producer and set it in stone. Not just the things that the reverend don't know. I know some secrets that's never gonna show. Cause if they get out, they go kick in my house, then I'll go in the bay where the pelicans go. Cause the posse be like a hockey team, gotta stick them with a semi, they pro. Like I'm out there.
Like a hockey team, they got semi when they pro. Okay. They snapping. They snapping, gang. They snapping.
Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my block.
It's going that stove in her head like a soccer. Deep letting those three shots that they
Stuff in
can
his head like a socket. Hold on. Oh. Esmel coming to eat.
Allowed to wear pasta. Just to stop us, you gon' need plenty of options. Body on my body, cause Kevin Costner. Fuck it, I'ma pass the mic to my block.
It's going that stove in her head like a soccer. Deep letting those three shots that they blanco. We locked in boys to set up the pasta. So get the home and the setup is stuck.
All of that chicken, none of that chat. We can be right to the rest.
Hey.
Talking to bitch, be captain. We can be right to the rest. Hey, we can be right to the rest. I came from the bottom when people are starved. We can be right to the rest.
Hey. Yo, why y'all didn't tell me? Why y'all didn't tell me? Why y'all didn't tell me Scru, Gene, and Easy Mill did a fucking song together and it was a motherfucking banger? Why y'all didn't tell me? I'm mad at y'all, Easy Mill gang. I'm mad at y'all, Easy Mill game. I'm mad at y'all. Y'all didn't tell me Scru, Gene, and him did a motherfucking song together and it was a motherfucking banger. Why y'all didn't tell me? That was fucking fire. We did the top. We did the Ratchet. Hey, that's going on a playlist. I might listen to that when I get done with this video. That was a fucking banger. Make sure y'all hit that like button, y'all comment, y'all subscribe if you're new. Hit that post notification bell to get every motherfucking video that me, Terrell the God, upload. Roll to 500, baby. And I see y'all. Oh yeah. Peace, love, and respect. And I see y'all boys and girls in the next motherfucking video. Oh, wow. Why y'all didn't tell me?